So today I was working on a BMW 540 2017 with the problem, the PCV valve, the standard problem, as you know, of course. You can see original broke here. Okay, so when you remove this cap, be careful because you can see those pieces. And when you remove it, it's pretty hard. Don't break them because this is the actual valve cover. And you don't have to overpay for the actual seal membrane. You don't have to pay $30 to the company kliffex. I mean, you can buy the same one for $10. You know, it's the same thing made in China, but it's okay quality. But the company kliffex, it's the same thing. They sell it at $30 and it doesn't include anything. Don't forget this piece of plastic removed from original one and put it like this and align it properly. Oh, of course, you know that the problem leads to smoking from the tailpipe. This is the main symptom. And then put it back nicely like this and push it like, and probably until it clicks. That's it.